Hello, friends. So this is the chart of Tata Elxsi. We are all very familiar with this stock. It has been doing extremely well since 2020 until very recently. So this is a 24-year chart of this company. Amazing company for sure. But what you will notice here is that the first decade from 19 late 1990s to 2008-9, the stock was literally did not make any headway even until 2013. There was one major rally in 2003 to 2007, then one major rally from 2013 to 2015, and then one major rally from 2020 till 2022 mid. So about 1.5 years of rally each time. Here it was a slightly more. Over a span of 23, 24 years, you had effectively a period of about 6 or 7 years which were really productive, and the rest approximately 16 to 17 years were just lying flat in the market. So tactically, if you had made, some part of this gain here, some part of this gain here, and some part of this gain here, you would have eliminated all those years of, waiting and frustration, and possibly poor decision making because the price is not moving. And in those 16, 17 years, even if you had used that opportunity, because your capital would be with you if you were not invested in those 16, 17 years and just invested in the general index returns, you would have found that your overall returns would be much much better. So instead of just hanging on to a stock hoping that it will go up, latch on to a moving stock, make gains out of it, get out of it, use your capital elsewhere, do not waste that opportunity, and that opportunity cost will add to your portfolio returns. More than the opportunity cost and your returns, actually, is this fear and uncertainty that is associated with the stock, with any stock actually. So for instance, um, even recently, let's take a recent example. Now stock has moved from 500 to 10,000, 20x in matter of 2 3 years. Now it may have discounted the next 5 years in this move. What are we going to do here now? So let's say, even if we were late to the party, we entered at 5 6,000, we are now at 7,300. Minor gains, yes, but we are still anchoring our mind to 10,700, that we have seen 10,700 once in our life. Why should I accept exit at 7,300? Or it even came down to 5,600, almost a 45% drop from here. So these kind of feeling will come in your mind, that, oh, I missed the top, I should have sold. Kind of regret will happen. Or after waiting 3 years, you may say to yourself, oh, I should have sold somewhere in August 22. I could have used this proceeds from this sale in some other stock that I think would have gone up. So decision making becomes extremely clear when you are following a strategy which has proper exit plans, which has a proper strategy in place for how much to buy, when to buy, when to sell, and so on and so forth. So always have a clear cut plan of your investing. Do not leave it for the markets to decide how and when that stock will move, because there are thousands of stocks which don't move for long periods. Not every company is successful because they are competing against each other. I mean, today if one company is successful, 10 other competitors are trying to take that market share from them, and there is no guarantee that this company will continue to hold on to their USP for your lifetime. So it is a dynamic market. Please understand that and play accordingly. Thanks. Bye.